Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Question number 27 from the Emperor's New Clothes. What did the Emperor think he could do by wearing those invisible clothes? ಸೊ ಎಂಪರರ್ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಆ ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. 2 marks. It carries 2 marks. Okay. The emperor thought that he could find out which one of his ministers was unfit for their post. So, invisible cloth, yake antandre, it was an invisible cloth, isn't it? Only the wise men could see the cloths. So, he thought that all of his ministers are wise. Okay. So, he thought that if he could wear the clothes, only the wise ministers could see that. Whoever did not see or could not see the clothes are considered as foolish. Okay, so he thought he could find out which one of his ministers were unfit, means who was fool and unfit for their post. He also thought that he would be able to differentiate between wise people and foolish people. ಮೂರ್ಖರು ಮತ್ತು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರ ನಡುವೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯೋಗ್ಯರಲ್ಲ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಂಥವರನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಯೋಚನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ರಾಜ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಆ ಇನ್ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅನ್ನ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.